Ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka joking Dorbar Thauan ke Jelam Meghalaya kan sedang haka kanru Tarik Rymphang batkan beteng haruk arpunyo Tarik Rymphang arhajar arpun riu. Ya kene lepentip du Lampang geng Dorbar Thauan ke Jelau Thomas E Sangma. Abakran ni gilar patai kubuara ka arpunyo Tarik belalengkon Lampang geng Dorbar ulong mga Dorbar kan sedang nak jengkran jonglat ke Jela uban pencahai lor kitong terikam ke sorkar nak benta kan ni kesnem. Ulito bakane ke Dorbar kan long nak benta shpos ni balapan bentai ni kisni hagilai sni nak benta kimat muanra degit kot shimet na private members business but nyo sni nak benta ki kambe de bak sarkar na government business. Menteri rang ba kejelau konrad kongkal sangma babat ru iketenat platengka umanra Mang Tyngka jong jela hak arpo Tarik Rymphang. Yakni kerai lashem maka jengelang jong business advisory committee kabalalum do Lampang yang Dorbar Thauan utamas e sangma. Agen ke jingalang le dan langru sebut menteri rang ba kejela beri kemi ketenat parliamentary affairs ubak prestun tensong. Unong ilam keliang persya udok temukul sangma beri udukot ka business advisory committee ru so weipat ketau ba poleng do le shim betang ke jingalang lang ba online mode. Ki weipat ke officer sarkar ke dan lang ki kentup ubak Cyril V D Dengdo, Commissioner Secretary Ketenat Parliamentary Affairs, Dr. Andrew Simons, Commissioner Secretary ke Legislative Assembly, Bat Numalthus S. Sangma, Secretary ke Legislative Assembly.
We have conducted the meeting of the Business Advisory Committee to discuss about the coming budget session, and we have decided that the budget session will be commencing from 16th February, which is Monday, and we'll have 10 working days, and which will end on 27th February 2026. We have, I think, 3 private members' business, and the rest are all government business. The budget presentation will take place on 20th February 2026, which is Friday. And we have also decided that we have mentioned here we will extend the time if required, and we have also made provisions like on the day which we will take up the voting on supplementary demands. We will go up to 3 p.m. in the evening, and if required, we will extend the time also. Yeah, we are not preponing because we are having it because it is we have decided, and we were also advised by the government to start the budget session a little early.
Because of the district council election.
It could be one of the reasons, yes.